let's see the new topic of this chapter. It is said that sum of the measure of the exterior angle of a polygon. So let's first come to this word, the exterior angle. Let's take one polygon. If I take a triangle, which is the smallest polygon, ABC. Now these three are considered as an interior angle of this triangle or polygon. So now which is exterior angle? The word suggests it is an angle outside the triangle. So how it is? If I extend this BC and let me give that point D. So this angle ACD is an exterior angle. Why ACD is an exterior angle? Because according to the definition of an exterior angle, we can say that the sum of two angles is 180, or we can say they are forming linear pair. You can see that ACD and ACD, ACD and ACD. That means one angle is interior angle and another is exterior angle of this triangle. So when the sum of two angles is 180, when they are forming linear pair, one must be interior and one is exterior. So we can say that this is considered as an exterior angle. Fine. So let's have one more. If I construct a quadrilateral, let me give the name PQRS. Let me extend this PS and I'll give this O. So we can say that RSO, this angle is an exterior angle because RSO is forming linear pair with angle RSP. So remember students, the formula of exterior angle, formula definition, the definition is an angle which form a linear pair with any interior angle of polygon is called an exterior angle. And sum of interior and exterior angle of polygon is 180, which we are going to use in this exercise, next 3.2. Sum of interior and exterior of any polygon is always 180. Now what the topic is? Sum of measure of exterior angle. So we should remember this, that sum of all exterior angle of a polygon is always 360. That means जितने भी exterior angle हो उन सब का addition 360 होगा. If it is a polygon or hexagon, we can say that if it is a polygon, तो इन सब का exterior angle जो भी हो, if I extend this, extend here, here, this one and this one. So this all are the exterior angle of this polygon and the sum of this exterior angle is always 360. So you can recall this by the previous question from the previous exercise, question number 7. In that last two sums which we have done, in which we have to find out x plus y plus z, which were the exterior angle. So we come to the conclusion that sum of exterior angle of any polygon is always 360. Let's see one formula. You can see that it is mentioned that we have to find out the number of sides of a regular polygon. We know what is regular polygon. When the number of sides and number of angles are equal. Number of sides, that means all the measure of sides are equal and all the measures of angles are equal. It's called regular polygon. We have to find out the number of sides of a regular polygon whose measure of exterior angle is given. Now remember, whenever it is a regular polygon, the measure of all the exterior angles are same. अगर वो रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन है तो उसका हर एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजर इक्वल होगा. सो हियर इज द फॉर्मूला, द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स n is equals to 360, that is sum of all the exterior angle upon measure of exterior angle. Let's take an example. If the measure of exterior angle is given 45 degree. So what is the number of sides that regular polygon has? So let's find out the number of sides. N is equals to 360 upon 45. So let us divide 360 with 45. So we can divide with 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are, 5 nines are, and 5 eights are. So we can say that the number of sides of that regular polygon is 8. So it is called octagon. The same way, you can see that we have to find out the measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon when the number of sides are given. So here almost the same formula. The measure of exterior angle is equals to 360 upon number of sides. Let's take an example. Suppose the number of sides of a polygon is 4. Let's find out the measure of exterior angle. So the measure of exterior angle of this polygon, as the side is 4, so we can say it is a square. So it is 360 upon 4. So the value is 90 degree. So we can say that 90 is the measure of each exterior angle of that polygon. Let's do the first question of this exercise 3.2. Here we have to find out x of this figure. We can see that it's a triangle. Let's name this triangle ABC. We have to find out the x which is considered as an exterior angle of this triangle. So look at this, the two angle measures which are given, they are also the exterior angles. And the value which we have to find out is also an exterior angle. So we use the concept of sum of exterior angle of a triangle. So let's use it, sum of exterior angles of a triangle. As we discussed earlier, that is 360 degree. So two of them angles we have, it's 125 degree. Another is also same 125 degree. Plus x is equals to 360. Again it form a linear equation. The sum of these two, that is 250 plus x is equals to 360. To find out x, we'll take this constant to the right hand side. So x is equals to 360 minus 250. The subtraction of this two value will obtain 110. So we can say that the value of x, which is one of the exterior angle of this triangle, is 110 degree. Let's see the second question of the first number. Again we have to find out the value of x. You can see it's a pentagon. It's A, B, C, D and E. X which we have to find out, again it is an exterior angle. So we use the formula to find out sum of all the exterior angle of this polygon, pentagon. But you can see that this interior angle is given. So let's first find out the exterior angle of D. So exterior angle of D. Again, as we discussed earlier, that the exterior angle is always form a linear pair. So this can be find out 180 minus the interior angle. 90 is the interior angle. So we'll obtain 90 only. So remember, the exterior angle of 90 degree is the exterior angle only. That means 90 degree only. I'm sorry. Now we have all the exterior angles. Let's find out the value of x. So we'll use the formula that sum of all the exterior angle of this polygon. Let's use it. Sum of all exterior angles of this polygon. It's a pentagon. That is 360 degree. So write all the exterior angles. So angle A is 90. Angle B is 70. Angle C, we are talking about the exterior angle. X, D, 90, just we obtain, and E, 60. So sum of all this must be 360. So let us do the sum of all these sides. That means angles 0, it's 310 plus x is equals to 360. Let's take this value to the right hand side. So x is equals to 360 minus 310. So the value of x which we obtain is 50 degree. That's all. Let's see the next question. We have to find out the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. So we can say n is equals to 9. So we just discuss the formula that measure of exterior angle. The measure of exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 upon number of sides n. So it is 360 upon 9. So the value is 40. So we can say the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon whose number of sides are 9 is 40 degree. Let's see one more question. The second number, here they have given the value of n is 1515. So again I use the same formula. Measure of exterior angle of this regular polygon whose number of sides are 15 is 360 upon n. So 360 upon 15 degree. 15 2s are 30, 15 4s are. So we can say that the measure of each exterior angle of this polygon is 24 degree. Let's see the third question. It is said that how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle? As it is a regular, so measure of each exterior angle must be 24. So let's use the formula, the number of sides of a regular polygon is equals to 360 upon measure of exterior angle. So the measure of exterior angle is given 24. So 360 divided by 24. So let's do this cancellation. If you remember, it was the just last question which we have done of this previous question. So when we divide this, we will obtain 15. So we can say that number of sides of that polygon, regular polygon, is 15 if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree. See the fourth number sum. Remember students, it is an important question. Why? Let's read the question. How many sides does a regular polygon have? It's almost like the previous question, but look at here. If each of its interior angle, remember in this question they have given the value of interior angle, where in the previous they have given the value of exterior angle, और हमारे पास formula है when the exterior angle is given. So first we need to find out the exterior angle of this given angle. So let us find out the value of exterior angle of this polygon. We know that the sum of exterior and interior angle is 180. So we can say 180 minus measure of interior angle. We discussed earlier also that exterior angle and interior angles are supplementary. So if we have one angle, the other can be found out by subtracting that value from 180. So 180 minus 165 is 15 degree. What I have done, हमारे पास इंटीरियर एंगल का मेजर दिया है, सो वी डोंट हैव द फॉर्मूला. हमारे पास फॉर्मूला कब है नंबर ऑफ साइड्स फाइंड आउट करने की, इफ वी हैव द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. So first we need to find out the exterior angle by using the formula exterior is 180 minus interior, because interior and exterior are supplementary angle. So we obtain this exterior angle. अब number of sides formula will use. Number of sides a polygon has is 360 upon measure of exterior angle. So we can say 360 upon 15. So like the same, it will come 24. So number of sides of that polygon is 24. Let's see this question. Question number 5. It is said that is it possible to have a regular polygon with measures of each exterior angle as 22 degree. मतलब एक्सटीरियर एंगल मेजर 22 डिग्री हो ऐसा कोई रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन पॉसिबल है. सो लेट अस यूज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ नंबर ऑफ साइड्स. सो नंबर ऑफ साइड्स अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन हैज इज 360 अपॉन मेजर ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो 360 अपॉन 22 2 11s are, 2 180s are. Now we can see that 180 is not divisible by 11. So if I divide, the answer will come in the decimal. And we know that number of sides can never be in the decimal form. So we can say that no, it is not possible. So we'll come to the conclusion that won't be possible of an exterior angle is 22 degree of any regular polygon. In this question it is asked, can it be an interior angle? जो हमने previous question किया था, when the measure of exterior angle is 24, तो यहाँ पे पूछा है can it 22, can it be interior angle of regular polygon? तो यहाँ पे measure of interior angle दिया है, the measure of interior angle is 22. So let's find out first the exterior angle of this polygon. As we discussed earlier, that should be subtracted from 180. So answer comes 158 degree. Now let's find out the number of sides. So as we discussed earlier, the same 360 upon measure of each exterior angle 158. Let us divide by 2, 180, 2 sevens are 2 nines are. Now we can see that this both cannot be divisible. So again the number of sides could not be in the fraction form. So again we can say no, it is not possible that the measure of any interior angle of a regular polygon is 22 degree. In this question it is asked that what is the minimum interior angle measure possible for a regular polygon. So remember, which is the smallest polygon? We can say that triangle, or we can say the 3 sides. Triangle is the smallest polygon, as we discussed in the earlier videos also. As it is the smallest polygon, so how many sides it has? So number of sides are 3. As it is a regular polygon, so let's find the measure of interior angle. So is equals to sum of that, we can say angle sum property, sum of all angles upon number of sides. So sum of all angles is 180 and the number of sides is 3. So we can say that the measure of each interior angle of triangle, which is the smallest polygon, is 60 degree. In this question, it is asked that what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon. So this can be correlated with the first question. In the first question, we find out the minimum interior angle. देखो बच्चों की जहाँ पे minimum interior angle होगा, उसका exterior angle सबसे बड़ा होगा. मतलब interior angle जितना छोटा, exterior angle उतना ही बड़ा होगा. तो it is quite simple. हमने अभी पढ़ा कि smallest interior angle, measure of smallest interior angle of a regular polygon is 60 degree. तो इसका जो exterior angle होगा, it is the largest. So we can find out the exterior angle of this is 180 minus interior angle of this polygon. So 180 minus 60, so the answer comes 120. So here the answer says that 120 is the largest or the maximum value of any exterior angle of any regular polygon.